Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by using the volume buttons, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options we can manage. From here, let's move to the left corner to this button. By tapping on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the quick settings. Here at the second place, we have volume buttons function. So when we pick this, we can pick from the shutter countdown, zoom, and volume. For now it is shutter, let me change this to zoom to show you how it works different. And let's go back to the camera and let me try to tap on these buttons once again now. As you can see, now by using this button I can get closer to my subject, so I can use zoom. And by using the second one, I can easily go back. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.